In this video, let me show you how to connect a TCL Google TV to Wi-Fi. Okay, now so you're actually going to get your TV remote, then press the settings button on the TV remote, have this display on the right side. Okay, then press OK on all settings. Then this comes up. You're actually going to move down to network and internet, press OK. Please make sure you press OK on the Wi-Fi to turn it on right there, as you can see. Now the available networks are actually going to be shown, so make sure the Wi-Fi that you want to connect to is actually being shown here. Okay, now the one you want to connect to right now for the setting purposes is dial bar, so you go to dial bar, then press OK on the Wi-Fi. Okay, now if the password protect is going to show you this, so input the password of the Wi-Fi. Okay, for this one it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Remember, every Wi-Fi has its probably unique password. Then you go to the tick option. After putting the password, press OK. Then it shows you connected successfully. So now the TCL Google TV is actually connected to a Wi-Fi. Okay, you can see the right side connected using Wi-Fi. And that is how you connect a TCL Google TV to Wi-Fi. Subscribe if you pick value in the video.